SuperMindz. Hey there, Super Explorers. Welcome to SuperMindz. We've got everything from cool learning stuff to fun games and quizzes. Let's go. Which is the fastest animal? Which is the tallest land animal? What do you call a baby kangaroo? Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? What is the largest mammal in the world? Which animal can change its color to blend in with its surrounding? Which animal is known to have the longest lifespan? What is a baby horse called? If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.